Uh, so does anyone of you have an idea of what the macrame art is about?
No.
So macrame art is basically using strings to tie knots and creating beautiful artifacts. You can make wall hangings, you can make dream catchers to have good night's dream. That's what they say. So when you make a dream catcher, you get a very good, you get good dreams. So they make dream catchers with these macrame cords. Then we have plant hangers. I love gardening. Who loves gardening here? Yes, me too. I'm also in your team. I love gardening. I go around to places and I always find plants and everything very fascinating. So, should we begin? Okay. So first of all, you can use any type of thread, but the condition is that it should have a twist like this, like 2, 3 strands of rope should be together like this. See why? Because we have to untwine it to get an effect like this. So the leaf, this is the macrame leaf. This is what we are going to make today. I'm just showing you one, but we can make beautiful wall hangings by creating them of different colors and tying them on a stick. So that's why we need a rope which can be untwined. That is the main condition. We can use that of any thickness. It could be this thick also. It can be this thick also, and it can be as small as this also. But the main condition remains that it should be you should be able to untwine it. Right? Now, shall we begin? First of all, what we need to do is we need to take a row.
We can take
one
this thing, jute also, no? Jute.
Yes, we can use jute as well. Yes, we can use jute as well. We can use anything that can be untwined, because for making this leaf, we need to untwine to create these the texture of a leaf. So first of all, we need to take the rope and we need to measure 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters of the rope, and we need to cut it. This will become our leaf stem. We can also vary the size. It is not necessary that we need to take 40 every time. The rule is that if we are making the middle, if we are making the middle main stem, right? For that, we need a double size, and for the smaller leaf, the sides, we need to make sure that they are half of the size. So if I'm using this as 40, then we are going to use 20 centimeter. We have to cut almost in almost 20 centimeter rope, the threads.
Oh, 40 centimeters, how many pieces?
Can you please repeat
So
what you have
40, we have to make 140 centimeters,
Okay,
which is
only one.
going to be our base for tying the knots. This is going to be
Okay.
the base,
Okay.
right? And then we have to cut in pairs, 20 centimeters. Like for example, this is 40, so the ratio is 2:1. If I'm making the main stem should be double of this, the smaller threads that I cut. So I've used this as 40, then the other smaller should be 20. Similarly, if I'm taking a measurement of, I want to make a bigger leaf, so I can even cut 80 centimeter bigger thread, but then the smaller one should be 40, so that we can get that effect. Right, everyone is getting it. We have to now, after cutting the 40 centimeter long, we have to cut many around in pairs. We need to cut them because we have to tie them together. So we need at least 20 such cuttings of 20 centimeters. So what you can do is, the easy trick is, we can measure, and others we can just cut them using the size of this one. Is everybody getting it? Okay. So how has been pandemic for all of you?
Very nice.
Second
Very
one,
nice. I enjoyed myself in pandemic.
Because of the pandemic, we are meeting you.
Yeah.
Yes, it is lovely. We have also got to spend a lot of time with our parents as well.
Nobody's
Second
coming,
one,
nobody's
30
going, so
centimeter.
no party, nothing to worry about. Just enjoy.
Yeah,
Seeing a lot of movies
absolutely.
and just having lovely lunch and dinners.
Great. I got married during pandemic only, so it has been weird for me. It was a small, intimate wedding rather than a big fat Indian wedding.
Good, no?
First one 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and second one
20.
20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. The small thread should be 20 centimeter.
only one piece. So how many piece?
No, we need to cut 20 of them. 20 of them. 20 small. We have to cut one big 40 centimeter, and then we have to cut 20 small 20 centimeter threads. So with macrame, we can also make keychains. And I also learned this actually during the lockdown when through YouTube. So it was a very productive lockdown, I think, for me at least. I learned a lot of things from YouTube. So, you can also try that, because I have also not tried my hands on macrame a lot, but I was always fascinated by it. So I started learning it.
बेटा कितना 20 सेंटीमीटर एक 40 सेंटीमीटर लेना है और बाकी
हाँ,
कितना
एक-
लेना है
20 सेंटीमीटर हाफ. अब कोई भी साइज लो ना, जो भी बड़े का साइज हो ना, उससे हाफ, उसका हाफ हमेशा छोटा लेना है हमें.
कितना ये कितना स्ट्रिप काटना है इसका कितना काटना है
20 मतलब इसमें कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं है. आप ना इसको ज्यादा अगर बनाना है इसको कि दिस शुड बी मोर, दिस शुड बी मोर, the area should be more, the effect of the leaf should be more. We can make more, but if we want them to be a little less, we can even make less. Like if I've used a thicker rope in this, so for this I only needed 18. So it depends on the kind of rope you use, on the size of the rope you use. I am using a thinner one. So as we work, we can understand कि नहीं ये बहुत कम लग रहा है. We need to add more ropes. Then we can keep adding it. There is no rule that we need these number only to make that.
ओके तो छोटा वाला साइज कितना काटना है
20 सेंटीमीटर. छोटा वाला हमेशा आधा साइज का होगा बड़े से. बड़ा अगर
नहीं
80,
हाउ मेनी नंबर्स बेटा
right now
numbers.
you can do 20. Right now 20 is good. So if you're done with a few, I can show you how to go about with it. Should I? Should I go about showing it, or should I wait?
No, start doing it. Otherwise, the whole day will go like that only, showing.
Okay. So I will take the longer 40 centimeter one and I will fold it like this. I will create a half. Okay. After that, I will keep it down. I'm keeping down on a surface, flat surface. Now, what am I doing is, I'm taking two such strands, two 20-meter strands, and I'm placing one strand any way that I want below this, below this. Below the 40-meter strand, I will fold the 20 centimeter also into half and I will put it below the long strand. Okay? Is everybody getting it? Wait. Like this. See, I've put this. This is my 40 centimeter long one. This is my short one which I have folded. And I'm putting the short one below horizontally the bigger rope. Then I will take the other rope. I will divide it into half, and then I will keep it in opposite direction of what I've put the first rope, and I'll keep it above. Is everybody following me? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then what I'll do is I will take this end, the first end, and put it inside like this. I will put it inside the one end. I will similarly do it over here, and I'll pull both of these together to create a knot like this. See, I'll show it again. So this knot is known as the square knot in macrame. This is called the square knot. I'll show it once more again. I'll keep the screen down only for this. So first of all, I will take one and I'll divide it into half, one thread. I will put it below the longer, my 40 centimeter thread. I will take another one, which I will be putting above this. Then I will take out. So here you see that there are two loops. So one open end of the below thread, I will put it above the loop one. And the same thing, I will do it on the other end. And then I will pull both of them together like this. Can you see this? Are you following? If anybody is having a doubt, please let me know. I will also do this along with you, but I can show it slowly also. Again, should I show it once more?
Yes, Miti, I think one more time would be helpful.
Okay. First, I will divide it into half, which I'll be putting below my longer thread. Then I will create one more loop and I will be putting it above. Then I will take the open ends out from both the sides. And I'll pull it.
Is it correct?
Yes, it is perfect. Yes, I can see the knot.
Thank you. Am I correct? Nanda aunty.
Is this perfect?
Yes, that's perfect. Yes, perfect, perfect. It's
And this here is perfect?
yes. Wow, great, great.
Perfect. How many?
Mine is correct.
Let me just. Yes, yes, it's perfect. It's perfect. So we have to keep doing this till the end.
Oh,
We keep doing this till the end. So the technique is simple, but it's a little bit of hard work in this. It's a little bit of grind work. So after we are done with the whole thing, what we do is we untwine the whole thing. We untwine the threads, and then we cut it into the shape of a leaf. That's how we make the leaf. And then I have used a normal white color, a cream color, but if we add different colors and different sizes, we can make beautiful wall hangings of leaf.
Mitty, can you just show us the leaf as you're making it? We can't see.
Yeah. So is everybody following?
One knot is this side and one knot is this side. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. That's how it can be. You can also have all the knots on one side, or you can even alternate the knots. Both the ways, it is fine. It is on you absolutely how you want to make it. Is everyone okay?
Mitty, if you can just show us what you're making, makes it easier to watch.
Yeah, but sure.
This one is correct.
Yes, yes, it's perfect.
Okay. Can I put? I have to do more, or this is 20 finish my
The
strings.
20 is finished.
Yeah.
So if you want to make a little bit bigger, you can add more, or what you can do is you can start untwining it.
Okay.
Anybody who has done 20 can start untwining the knots, untwining the threads of the macrame thread. So because the threads are all twined, the thing will come out a little curly, but you don't need to worry about it. You can either keep it like this, or you can use a comb to smoothen out. We can use a normal regular comb to smoothen out the threads as well. So they do not become tangled, or if there are tangles, they may get out.
The jute, when we are untwining it, it's
Yeah.
it's becoming like, it's coming, the threads are like coming out. You know?
Can you show it to me, please?
Yeah, just how it's coming out. The threads are coming out from there.
Yeah, that's fine.
This-
So even if a little bit of thread will come out in jute, because that's a problem with jute. But if you cut it once and use a little bit of comb, it will look good. The threads will
Okay.
come out because jute is that kind of a material, because
Yeah.
where it comes out. So
It's
that's
very
why.
soft material.
Yeah, yes, that's the problem with jute. But it will look very nice once you cut it into the shape of a leaf and then you comb it. It will be okay. And after that, if you want a more permanent thing that it should maintain the shape of the leaf, you can use the hairspray. You can use the hairspray to set it so that it will remain like that only.
Okay.
It does not shape or anything. Yeah. I've never liked the bit of taking out the whole thing. It is very monotonous and boring. I've never liked it. I think you all must be feeling the same thing, taking out one, uh, untwining the whole thing.
No,
You
it's not
feel it?
that. We are finding it like, no, like it is just breaking, that should not, we're not liking that. It's breaking in between and all that. Otherwise, you make a knot has come out very good. Now we learned how to make the knot, but the thing is that when it's breaking, no, it's not,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
happy with it.
Missy, this rope is very thin, so I cannot unwind it, like, getting all entangled. This rope is very thin.
No, what you do if you are having a rope which looks like this, in itself you can untwine it like this. Even if there is a knot, you will be able to untwine it.
Mine is very thin, so I cannot unwind it.
Okay, I also have this thin one. It will take a little time, or you can use a comb. You can use a comb to take it's like when you are untangling your hair, it's the same way. You have to untangle the whole thing in this. So you can use a comb also. So for leaf, it becomes a little, it is always better if we use a little thicker, because as I said, the whole process of untwining is basically very boring. Rest all the knots and all everything, the technique is very simple in doing it.
If we take different colored threads, it will look very beautiful.
Yes, yes, it looks amazing. It looks very nice, and you can get these threads online also very easily from Amazon. There are a lot of craft sites online, like Crafts Only India करके है. Then there is itsybitsy.com. A lot of craft stores online, as well as you can get it on Amazon or Flipkart as well. Or you can even use, the ones that we used to hang clothes, the plasticky one, but it will give a very plasticky feel. But we can use that also, because here the important thing is that you should have this effect. See,
Yeah, you can
that's
have
why
it
we
with thread,
need,
but not with the jute. With the thread, you can have.
yeah,
Can we
jute
use
becomes a
wool?
little
Wool? Can we use wool?
wool. I'm not
Thick
sure
wool.
about wool,
Yes.
because I think,
Thick wool you can use.
Thick wool, thick wool.
yeah,
I
yeah, we
use
can use
wool.
thick wool as well. Yes, a
Yes.
thick
Yeah, I
wool,
have
which
wool.
is 3 mm, or
Yeah,
the thickness
ply
is
wool.
higher.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I have 3-ply wool.
yeah.
that is fine. 3-ply is fine.
Yeah.
Miti, can we just see what you're doing? We can't see.
Yeah, sure. I'm still untangling it. So what I'll do is I'll untangle the one side, and I can show you how we just have to put a shape on it. Once we untangle it, we have to put a shape of a leaf. So for that, what we can do is, one of the trick is either if you can do it directly, or what we can do is we can take a paper and we can make a stencil. So I have a paper here, and I can cut out a stencil of the leaf I want. I can draw a leaf. I can draw a leaf shape like this. I can draw a leaf shape only the आगे का, and then I can put it here. I can cut it. I can cut it and I can put it, and I can use this as a stencil, and I can cut the extra bit off and give it a shape. So that can also be done. For leaf, we do not need to always make it directly. If we don't want to cut it and we are not very sure, we can make a leaf out of a paper, and then we can put the leaf as a stencil, and then we can cut the extra bit of threads to actually make a leaf. So when I made this, that's what I did. I made a stencil, and then I put it and I cut the extra bit so that I can have uniform
Shape, uniform shape.
Yeah,
Uniform
uniform shape. Yes, for a uniform shape.
We can take a real leaf also, no?
Sorry?
Real leaf.
Yeah, if you have big one, you can take it. Use
Yeah, real means
Yeah.
from the tree,
Yeah, we can.
from
We
the
can.
plant, yeah, plant or tree. Any other things you have made, you can show us with these knots?
Actually, I have not made, and actually, honestly, I am right now sitting at work and I'm doing this because I was really keen and interested on doing this. When my friend told me that, would you like to conduct something like this, I was really excited to do it.
We
never
want to learn
actually-
the plant pot.
Yeah, plant spot hanging.
This I made this now, just now, with the jute.
Yes. Yeah.
Now I
it
cut
looks amazing.
cut in the shape of the leaf with a scissor.
Yes, it looks amazing. It looks really very nice.
Just like jute, I was not having, I said that I am having jute leaf.
No, but it really looks really nice.
Thank you. Just now.
Maybe next time I will ask them if they would if you will like to have me again. I'll also do the pot hangers. We can try that as well.
Yes, why not? You're always welcome.
Okay.
And you're very nice, cute baby.
Pushpa, you've done a very good job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And she's done it too fast, huh? Pushpa?
Yes.
Pushpa ji?
Yeah, I'm
Thank
still
you,
untwining
thank
it.
you, Asha
My threads are so thin. I'm still trying to figure it out.
Just I use the comb and clean all these string.
That's the best part, actually.
Yeah, really.
Using a comb.
Using the comb. Good. Nice. First time we are making. That's a good. Really. Thank you.
The thing
can
is,
even-
learning how to make the knots is very nice.
Just
It's
first
really
to learn
fun.
the knots.
Yeah.
Look like
So
a
this
leaf
is
knot,
the
no?
basic knot. The
In
knot
the
that I
scout,
just do it.
scout guide, we learn the reef knot just like a reef knot is listening.
Just like this. Okay.
Miti,
Yes. Yes, it looks really nice.
I put in between another thread just to give a.
Viti,
I'll put this.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Anand.
if you feel that you need to add more strips, also untwine the last one as well. The one which is connected to the main in which we have tied the knot, untwine that also so that you can get the shape or it will look weird. Untwine the last middle one also, the middle one. See,
Yeah.
my shape is coming here on one side. I've untwined all on one side. So
Okay.
All the this thing.
sorry.
Comb. Should we comb this all?
This we can keep as wall hanging, no?
Yes, yes, you can comb this. If you comb this, it will be easier to take out the tangles actually. You will get a
Actually,
little
if you
bit of
go on-
smoother feel.
If you go on, rolling it, it opens out itself. Rolling the thing,
Opposite side.
Yes,
sides. It
yeah.
becomes
Also,
easier.
if you want, you can keep this as wall hanging. And as I said earlier, if you want this to be a little more permanent, you can add hairspray. So what will happen is this will maintain the shape, or the shape will go away eventually over a period of time if somebody moves here and there. So if
Can
you
we put starch? Can we dip it in starch water? Starch
yeah,
water?
that is also fine. Yes, yes, that is also okay.
Starch.
Yeah,
Or starch spray.
Starch water. Just dip it and dry it.
yes, it will work. Starch will also work. So has anyone else completed it? I am still working on it. I'm a little slow.
No, I am also working still.
I only untwined 3 or 4.
Yeah, it's a task to untwine this. That is, I think, the main task. The knots are easy to make.
Yeah.
With the hand we have to untie.
No, बराबर हुआ है.
We have to untie with the hands and we can put
Brown हो गया.
nidhi, I'm saying.
अभी ये दो चिकन सामने रखेंगे तो कैसा खाएगा?
See, this is one of the things that you can make, that can be made.
Nidhi, we have to untie
Yeah.
the hand like this, separate the wool, separate the
Yes,
wool.
yes, we have to separate the.
No, but we can't comb it like this and separate it with the
You
fine
can
comb.
do that as well. You can comb it also. It is fine.
See,
Kriti, is it correct?
Can you do it a little up? I can't see it.
I will do it little more.
Yeah, yeah, looks great. Looks great.
This is what measurement you told now. That first we did. So I'll do
Yeah.
it now more. First, let me come. This
I missed out on it. Can you repeat the measurement, please?
40 and 20.
So you can,
yeah.
yeah, 40 and 20. It is always the longer rope should be twice the size of the shorter ropes you cut. So you can, if you want to make a bigger leaf, this is a medium sized leaf, right? So if you want to make bigger than this, you can use a 60 centimeter long rope. Then you have to cut 30 centimeters. The shorter ropes, you have to cut 30 centimeters.
Kriti, is it correct?
Sorry?
Please see the knots are correct.
Yes, yes, they're
Yes.
correct. Yes,
Yeah.
they're correct. You can also do them alternate, like I have done. Like one can be on this side, one knot can be on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that also. One side is also fine. The leaf that I have made earlier, that is on one side. But the one here that I've made is on both the sides. I hope you guys enjoyed making the leaf.
Yeah.
After unwind, you have to comb it.
Yes,
And
you have to
then
comb
cut
it.
it.
Yes, after unwinding it.
And then cut it.
Yeah. Shape.
Yes.
Here, take for your mother.
Niti, now we can show our grandchildren how clever we are.
We can show our grandkids.
Sure, you can show them this. You can make something like this also.
Your grandchildren, they're small, you can take all the credit. If they're bigger, then they will say, oh, I
Yeah.
can do it better than this.
You can make
Oh, how
something like
nice.
this.
Yes,
Yeah.
very nice.
So when you want to make us, you want to do this support, right? So what you can do is, you can take a, here I'm demonstrating it on a pencil, okay? So to attach this, we use a knot which is known as lark knot, okay? So when you want to put it on a surface like this, what you can do is, I'll just show you the knot. It is the easiest of all knots. So what you do is, if you take a thread like this, okay? Again, this is, I've taken a random length, I've not measured it. What you do is, you put it like this, in front of your wood or
Rod.
anything you're taking as a base, and then you take this
Take it
out like this.
A knot.
And
like-
then you can work on it directly. You can make the leaf, you can start tying the knots directly, and then you can make the whole thing.
Yeah, nice.
Please, next time explain us plant holders.
Yes, sure,
Yes.
sure. Definitely.
You're working somewhere?
I have my own
Business.
business. Actually, I have my own business. I've joined my family business.
What?
We are into automobiles distribution.
Okay.
So if you want to buy the cars, we'll get a discount.
So my leaf is taking its shape now.
Yeah.
See, I'm left to untie last 3 or 4, but then once I do, I will be done with my leaf.
Yeah.
See, looks really nice, and I'm doing it in an off-white thread, but when we do it with colors like green, red, pink, they look very nice.
Everybody, if you once you finish it, even after the session, please take a photograph and send it to us at Tare. I will send it to Miti.
Yes, sure, please. I would love that. I
Sure.
would love to see everyone's work.
I always send it to Saleh, but he did not give me any prize for that.
He's allowing you to sit here and make it. That's a big prize.
And I'm still waiting for potato chops.
Yeah.
You like really? I will make and send it. We make those potato chops. I'm
No
also
potato chops for Mr. Saleh.
Teachers' Day is coming, so Teachers' Day will send you potato chops.
So I'm finally done with my untwining. Finally.
Lucky.
Yeah, I'm finally done. Finally done it. Now I'll try it. I'll cut it into the shape of a leaf.
Miti, can you show us how you do it, please? Yeah.
I'm not using any stencil right now, but I can use a stencil as well. So I've done with my cutting, and this is how my leaf looks. This is how my leaf looks.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can use even a straightener. You can use a straightener to take these curls out. But if you like the curls, you can keep the curls. If you don't like the curls, you can use a straightener to straighten up these. So they'll become straight.
Miti, it can
Yes.
also be used as table mats, no?
No.
Yes, not
Yes.
these ones. For table mats, they have to be flat. Usually, these cannot be used as table mats. I think they will be very much messy if we use these as table mats. But we can use we can make different table mats as well with these macrame threads. We can make everything. We can make blankets. We can make purses. Macrame threads can be used. Macrame art can be used to make lots of things. We can make wall hangings. We can make keychains. We can make purses.
I want to supply this thing.
So is anyone done? Has anyone else finished their leaf?
No.
Has anyone else finished their leaf?
No.
If not, it's fine. You can take your own time to finish this. It's a time-consuming process, a easy but time-consuming process. But it is very therapeutic to do this entire thing.
Paper.
Mitty, I think we're running out of time. I think the ideal thing is if everybody could send you a photograph of what they've done.
Sure,
And,
no issues.
How about you choosing the best one, and we can actually showcase it to everybody later.
Definitely. Sure,
Yeah.
for sure. I think it will be very difficult for me to choose also. As
So
far as
anybody
I've
who gives
seen
potato
the
chops
world.
is the winner. Anybody who
really,
gives
we
potato chops is the
enjoyed.
winner.
We enjoyed it.
I hope you all enjoyed making
Yes,
the
yes,
leaf.
we enjoyed.
And
Vicky,